Alright, so here we are inside the truck, playing a YouTube safe song. I can't really play anything because of copyright issues, so here's a YouTube safe song. This is before I hook up the Skar EQ, so just testing it at a normal, decent level, close to around 10. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook it up and try to hear the difference, because what I'm trying to do is bring out the highs, the mid-range, you know, just to clear it up a little bit. It's coming from Soundsystem to car audio. It's like a big difference, you know, so what these small speakers is producing is not what I'm used to, so I'm trying to, you know, make up for that with other things, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and hook it up, and we'll put it at the same volume and everything, and let you hear how it sounds. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so we got it all hooked up. I'm going to show you where I have it. Alright, so pretty much I have it right here in the center console area. What I can do, I can flip this back, or I can leave it down, and I can control it as I need be. I'll let you see what the front of it looks like. Alright, it's all lit up. The words are facing my direction. Alright, so I'm going to play the same track at the same level, but the only thing is I can tune it from here also. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit play on that. I'll go ahead and put it at 10, and I'll turn the volume up on here. Alright, so now you tell me the difference. Is this worth it? As you can hear, the quality has changed. There's more highs, there's more mids. Alright, sounds like a stereo system now, for real. Alright, got your highs, your mid, got your low mid, and also have a separate bass knob. So I just put a little bit of sub in there. Mind you, I didn't turn up my sub knob at all. The sub knob is still off. See that down there? It's in the off position. But what I can now do is control a little bit of the sub from here as well. Alright. So with that said, I think this is money well spent. I like the way it sounds already. I can't wait to turn it up to really hear how it really sounds. Alright, so thanks for watching. DJ Shaw One King Legend checking out. I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, stay tuned. Please share, like. Alright, and don't forget to share the knowledge. Alright, out.